Picture this. You're at a family dinner, surrounded by mouth-watering dishes. As you reach for the vegetables, a question hits you. Which ones are safe for managing diabetes? Diabetes can feel like solving a complex puzzle. It messes with your blood sugar and leaves you battling symptoms like constant thirst, fatigue, and even weight loss. But don't stress. We're here to guide you through the sneaky vegetables that could sabotage your blood sugar control. Why does this matter? Consistently high blood sugar levels can lead to serious complications, including nerve damage, kidney problems, heart issues, and even vision loss. But don't worry, you're not alone. And managing diabetes starts with making informed choices. In this video, we'll walk you through the 9 vegetables to avoid if you have diabetes. We'll explain why these seemingly harmless veggies can play tricks on your glucose levels and provide tips to make smarter decisions for your health. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll stay updated with all our health tips and insights designed to help you live your best life with diabetes. And if you are going to try this out, comment, "My healthy eating habits begins now." Let's get started. 1. Corn. Corn, a staple in many cuisines worldwide, often finds its way into a variety of dishes, from tortillas to salads. However, if you're managing diabetes, corn might not be the ideal vegetable for your diet. Here's why. Corn is rich in carbohydrates, with 1 cup containing approximately 21 grams of carbs. For people with diabetes, this is significant because carbohydrates are directly linked to blood sugar spikes. When consumed, corn's carbs are quickly broken down into glucose, which can raise blood sugar levels. Even in small portions, its glycemic load can make blood sugar management more challenging, especially when paired with other starchy or high-carb foods. Adding to the concern, corn contains glucose naturally, compounding its effect on your sugar levels. Corn syrup, a derivative of corn, is even worse, as it's highly concentrated and can wreak havoc on blood sugar regulation. Avoiding corn syrup and other processed forms of corn is crucial for maintaining stable glucose levels. Despite its nutritional benefits, such as fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, corn's impact on blood sugar often outweighs these advantages. This doesn't mean you have to eliminate it entirely, but portion control is vital. A small serving, balanced with lean proteins and non-starchy vegetables, can help mitigate its effects. If you're unsure about incorporating corn into your diet, consult a healthcare professional or dietitian. They can help tailor your diet to your specific needs. Ultimately, managing diabetes means making informed choices, and understanding how foods like corn affect your body is a significant step toward better health. 2. Potatoes. Potatoes are a beloved staple food, appearing in countless forms like mashed, fried, roasted, or baked. While they're versatile and packed with nutrients like potassium and vitamin C, potatoes are not the best choice for individuals managing diabetes. The primary concern with potatoes is their high starch and carbohydrate content. Just 100 grams of potatoes has a glycemic index of around 86, making them a high glycemic food. This means they can cause blood sugar levels to spike rapidly after consumption. Whether fried, boiled, or baked, the effect remains the same. Potatoes deliver a quick dose of glucose to your bloodstream, which can be problematic for blood sugar management. Acids are no joke. The way potatoes are prepared can exacerbate their impact. For example, frying them adds unhealthy fats, while mashing them can increase their glycemic load due to the breakdown of starch during cooking. Even healthier preparations like bakings don't eliminate their high carbohydrate content, so moderation is essential. Despite their drawbacks for those with diabetes, potatoes do have some nutritional benefits. They're rich in fiber, especially if you eat the skin, which can help with digestion. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals. However, these benefits are often outweighed by their impact on blood sugar levels. Scavengers must find other ways to access the Kiko and C cup. If you're living with diabetes, there are better alternatives to potatoes that provide similar nutrients without causing blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes, for instance, have a lower glycemic index and offer more fiber and beta carotene. Other non-starchy vegetables like cauliflower or zucchini can serve as satisfying substitutes. Ultimately, understanding how potatoes affect your body is crucial. If you do choose to include them in your diet, keep portions small and pair them with proteins and healthy fats to slow down glucose absorption. 3. Green peas. Green peas are often celebrated for their sweet flavor, vibrant color, and rich nutrient profile, but for individuals managing diabetes, they may not be the best option. While green peas are a great source of fiber, protein, and essential vitamins like A, C, and K, their high carbohydrate content can pose challenges for blood sugar control. A single cup of green peas contains around 20 grams of carbohydrates, which can add up quickly and lead to spikes in blood sugar levels if consumed in large quantities. The starch in peas is quickly converted into glucose, which may overwhelm the body's ability to regulate blood sugar effectively. This can create a roller coaster effect, causing highs and lows that are particularly problematic for people with diabetes. Despite their drawbacks, green peas do have benefits. They provide dietary fiber, which can help improve digestion and slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This effect can moderate blood sugar spikes when peas are consumed in small amounts and combined with other low glycemic foods. Additionally, peas contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial for overall health and may help reduce the risk of complications. For those managing diabetes, the key to enjoying green peas is portion control. Instead of treating them as a primary ingredient, consider using them as a garnish or mixing them with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or zucchini. This way, you can still enjoy their flavor and nutritional benefits without negatively impacting your blood sugar levels. Ultimately, while green peas can be a nutritious addition to many diets, it's essential for people with diabetes to consume them mindfully. Consulting a healthcare professional or dietitian can help you determine the best approach to include green peas in a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal plan. 4. Butternut squash. Butternut squash, with its vibrant orange hue and naturally sweet flavor, is a favorite among many for its versatility and nutritional benefits. However, for those managing diabetes, this nutrient-rich vegetable can be a double-edged sword. While it boasts an impressive nutrient profile, including vitamins A and C, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, its high carbohydrate content may pose challenges for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. A cup of cooked butternut squash contains about 16 grams of carbohydrates, making it a higher carb vegetable. These carbohydrates can quickly convert to glucose, potentially leading to spikes in blood sugar when consumed in large portions. For individuals with diabetes, this could disrupt efforts to keep blood sugar levels in check, especially when paired with other carb-heavy foods. Despite these concerns, butternut squash has its merits. Its high fiber content slows digestion, which can help moderate blood sugar spikes. Additionally, the antioxidants found in butternut squash combat inflammation and support overall health, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes who are at higher risk for complications like cardiovascular disease. The key to enjoying butternut squash as part of a diabetes-friendly diet is portion control and pairing it with other low glycemic foods. Consider mixing it with leafy greens, lean proteins, or healthy fats to create balanced meals that minimize blood sugar fluctuations. Roasting butternut squash with spices like cinnamon or paprika can add flavor without the need for high sugar additives. In moderation, butternut squash can be a delicious and nutritious part of your diet. If you're unsure about how much to include, consult a healthcare professional or dietitian to ensure it fits into your overall diabetes management plan. Balancing its benefits with mindful consumption can help you enjoy butternut squash without compromising your health goals. 5. Yams. Yams, while nutritious, can pose challenges for individuals managing diabetes. These starchy root vegetables are rich in carbohydrates, with about 27 grams per cup, which can quickly elevate blood sugar levels. Yams have a moderate glycemic load, meaning they can cause glucose spikes when eaten in excess. Additionally, their simple carbohydrates are rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to sudden sugar surges. Despite this, yams offer dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them beneficial when consumed in small portions. Pairing yams with lean proteins or healthy fats can help slow sugar absorption, allowing you to enjoy them without disrupting blood sugar control. 6. Celery. Celery, often seen as a healthy, low-calorie vegetable, can have hidden risks for individuals managing diabetes. While celery is naturally low in carbohydrates, calories, and high in water content, the way it is grown and transported introduces concerns. Being a tall-growing crop, celery is particularly vulnerable to pesticide exposure. These harmful chemicals can accumulate during farming and transportation, making celery a potential health risk, especially for those with lower immunity, like diabetics. Pesticides and chemical residues can interfere with overall health, potentially affecting blood sugar management and increasing the risk of other health complications. To minimize risks, it's best to opt for organic celery. Wash it thoroughly or soak it in baking soda water to remove residues. While celery can be a healthy choice, mindful sourcing and preparation are key to ensuring it's safe for consumption. 7. Broad beans. Broad beans, also known as fava beans, can be a tricky choice for individuals managing diabetes. While they are packed with nutrients, they also come with a high carbohydrate and sugar content. Just 1 cup of broad beans contains approximately 12 grams of sugar, which can quickly spike blood sugar levels, a major concern for diabetics. Additionally, broad beans are relatively high in calories, with a single cup providing around 111 calories. For those watching their weight and blood sugar, consuming broad beans in large portions can be problematic. Moderation is key, and it's best to consult a dietitian for balanced dietary advice. 8. Pickled vegetables. Pickled vegetables might seem harmless, but they pose challenges for individuals with diabetes. The pickling process involves soaking vegetables in large amounts of salt and vinegar, which significantly increases their sodium content. For diabetics, this can be a problem as excessive sodium intake can elevate blood pressure and worsen cardiovascular risks, conditions already common with diabetes. Additionally, consuming too much sodium can disrupt fluid balance in the body, leading to further health complications. While occasional consumption in small portions might be acceptable, pickled vegetables should not be a regular part of a diabetic-friendly diet. Opt for fresh vegetables instead. 9. Packaged vegetable juice. Packaged vegetable juice might seem like a healthy option, but for individuals with diabetes, it can do more harm than good. These store-bought juices are often loaded with added sugars, preservatives, and artificial chemicals which can spike blood sugar levels quickly. Unlike whole vegetables, these juices lack fiber, which helps regulate glucose absorption. Even natural or low sugar labeled juices can contain hidden sugars that disrupt blood sugar control. For diabetics, fresh, homemade juices or whole vegetables are always the better choice. If you're managing diabetes, skip the packaged versions and stick to natural alternatives to maintain stable blood sugar levels. The key is moderation. Small portions or occasional indulgences may be okay, but always check with your doctor or dietitian for personalized advice. For more tips on managing diabetes, check out our other videos and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-focused content.